Hey, it's Cyrus, and welcome to this super fast relaxation meditation. You don't have to think or worry about anything. All you have to do is listen and follow along, and in just a few minutes, you'll be totally relaxed. Go ahead and set up in a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and really allow your body to just find the most relaxed, loose position it possibly can. Let your limbs and everything just hang out. Close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in through the nose. Fill up the body with an invigorating breath and then slowly release it through the mouth, like you're breathing out through a straw. And then take one more super deep, super slow breath in through the nose, all the way down to the toes. And then breathe it super slow out through the mouth, like you're breathing out in slow motion. And now notice any tension in your body, whether it's obvious or subtle, any stress, anything you notice on a physical level. Don't think about it, just scan the body and notice it. And without judging it or reacting to it, just allow it to be there for a moment. Even though it's counterintuitive, don't try to relax it. Just observe it and allow it to exist for a moment. And just imagine space opening up around that subtle tension or stress. And imagine like those sensations can just exist in the space and dissipate at their own pace. And now bring the attention to the spot between the eyebrows. And take a slightly slower breath into the spot between the eyebrows and imagine like a big empty space is opening up in the spot behind your eyes. And allow all thinking to disappear into this space as soon as it arises from this point on, and just keep your attention awake, aware, and alert as we notice the little muscles around the eyes starting to relax, and any tension in the jaw or the face starting to release. And notice the neck and shoulders starting to soften effortlessly. And notice the arms and hands and the slightest ounce of tension they might still be carrying, starting to release and relax by itself, like you don't even have to try to relax the arms and hands. You can just allow them to release themselves and hang out as you shift your attention to your torso, feeling your chest and your stomach, your back, all moving and grooving with the rhythm of the breath at its own pace. And allow the breath to start to open and soften the spindles of muscles throughout your torso. Allow the core of your body to start to soften and blossom and open up into a deeper sense of spacious relaxation than you thought possible. And now feel the pelvis starting to soften, and the legs and the feet completely starting to drop tension as you observe the legs and the feet melting and releasing any subtle tension, any whispers of holding that remains. And now allow the breath to start to flow effortlessly through the whole body. The rivulets of oxygen making its way down the rivers of energy pathways as it starts to soften and open everything on an even deeper level. Let go of the outside world and the thinking mind as you inhabit the body and feel the energy surrounding your body. Like you have so much space and safety that you can feel everything within and around you. Relaxing and softening completely now into the space. And simply focus on the stillness and savoring the sweetness of that relaxation in your body and energy field, head to toe and all around. And now, if it feels good, visualize yourself taking the rest of your day one moment at a time in this relaxed rhythm that you can feel reverberating through your whole body. Seeing that and feeling it as you see it. And then slowly open your eyes and come back at your pace, intentionally carrying that nice, loose, relaxed feeling with you, moment to moment. And repeat this session anytime you want to easily drop into that relaxed energy and flow from there. Please let me know your experience. I would love to hear, and I hope you have an awesome, chilled out day.